If you're not using a DVI, I encourage you to, there's so many solutions like AutoLeap has this built in. It is so easy to use. Your learning curve will literally be short, and in a couple of weeks you'll be up and running on it. It's fabulous how it works. But let me share with you something. I want to be very careful here at sharing information and how you share it with your customer. Make sure that your customer knows how to navigate your tech. You've got to understand that some customers are not tech savvy. The old guys who are 49. Where's my inspection? Well, it's a 40-page document and I'm out of ink. Well, shoot, what do I do then? So, I love Randy Glassberg. He has great comments. He says, I can see you need more time to make up your mind. Here's the thing. Technology is going to take the negative impact of what needs to be done.